Hello friends, welcome to the Chickadee Knitting Club. My name is Caitlin, and in our first video, we're going to be talking about materials, the things that you'll need to start knitting. Walking into a craft store can be pretty daunting, especially for first-time beginners. There are so many gizmos and doodads, not to mention all the different kinds of yarn, that it can be pretty hard to know where to start. Thankfully, it's a whole lot simpler than it looks. This is my knit kit. It's where I keep all my supplies for knitting. I've got a ruler, some scissors, and whatever these things are. But for most of the stuff that we're going to be discussing on this channel, all you'll need is needles and some yarn. Let's take a closer look. First, let's talk about the needles. There are a ton of different kinds of knitting needles in a ton of different sizes. What I've found that works best for beginners is simple 10-inch straight needles in sizes 8, 9, or 10. You can figure out what size they are on the packaging or on the end of the little cap. They're not too long, they're not too thick, and usually they're not too expensive. You can find them in metal, plastic, bamboo, whatever works right for you. Let's move on to the yarn. Again, there is a lot of variation when it comes to yarn options. My advice for beginners is to find color-changing yarn like this. And ends up looking like that. As you can see, it's a whole lot easier to see your stitches when they're all different colors. And because the yarn changes colors, it makes your project look really cool in the end. This yarn is what's called worsted or DK weight yarn. But as a beginner, all you need to know is to look on the tag for size 4 or size medium. In this packaging, it's really tiny, right there. But on other yarn, it's pretty big and easy to see. Avoid fluffy or clumpy yarn like this. It may be really cool to look at and really soft to touch, but this kind of yarn is much more difficult to work with for beginners. Just keep it soft and tight. Most importantly, find yarn that's comfortable to touch and that makes you happy to look at. This yarn is very soft and the colors make me very happy. And so I am excited to keep knitting my project here. That was a lot to remember, so I want to put on the screen a list of all the things that you need. Feel free to screenshot it and take the picture with you when you go shopping for knitting supplies. That's it! All you need are needles and some yarn. This video's question is, if you could make your own yarn, what colors would you put in it? Share your answers in the comments below if you'd like. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned next time as we learn a few ground rules before diving into knitting. See you soon!